Hey everyone, Maghaz here. And today I'm going to help you fix a really frustrating issue, the dreaded Windows Update error 0x80070643. If you've seen this error while trying to update Windows, don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the solution step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it and fix this problem. Alright, let's start by clicking on the Start button and searching for services. Once it's open, scroll down and look for Windows Event Collector. Click on it and you'll see the option for Startup Type. Change that to Automatic. Click Apply, then hit Start to start the service. Finally, click OK to save the changes. Next, find Windows Event Log. Do the same thing, set the Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, and then OK. Now, search for Windows Update. Once again, set the Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, and this time, hit Stop first, then start to restart the process. Finally, click OK and close Services. Now, it's important to restart your PC to apply these changes, but if your problem isn't solved yet, don't worry, I've got a second method that will definitely fix it. Open CMD as an administrator. You'll need to copy and paste some commands that I've left in the description box below. Once the commands have run, close CMD and restart your PC again. Now, let's try updating Windows. And there you go, the update process is starting. Problem solved. I hope this helped you fix that annoying error. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials and tips. And as always, if you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.